finalizing the technique area where we've got all of our processes and procedures, ensure we're maintaining dam safety, personnel safety, and quality of the product. And starting the first of August, we moved into production. And where we're at today, we've installed 2 production piles, which are complete. We've got 37 piles, which are in progress. And we've got 11 overall piles, 100% complete, 9 of which are part of the technique area. So over the next day and into tomorrow, we'll be placing concrete in the element with the RCD. That's the rig with the blue and the white. We also just completed the casing installation of another element. That's where you see the orange tall mast rig. We call that a BG39. That rig installs the 56-inch diameter casing to protect our embankment. So operations, you can see, are well underway. As we ramp up over the next month, we will have another BG39 casing installation rig mobilizing the site to support the 2 RCD rigs you see on the crest already.
So in the supplemental vegetation management plan, we're finishing the first growth season of cutting. To date, we've cut 649 acres. They're actively cutting behind me as we speak. That meets the anticipated acreage that we wanted to get for this year. We've actually added approximately 100 acres through assessment, and then we'll reassess the growth and do it again